let's jump in and take a look. The first thing I wanted to cover on every one of these trainings I like to cover is a keyboard shortcut. And there is a blog post on stevestedman.com that talks about keyboard shortcuts. The one I want to talk about today is just the refresh key. And I'm pointing this out because when I see people train people with Database Health Monitor, I see that they don't think of this. And I know that when I'm working in my web browser, anytime I want to refresh a page, I've got the F5 key on my keyboard and I hit that and it will refresh my browser. Same thing with Database Health Monitor. If we're looking at a page or a report, so for instance, I look at our What is Active report here, and I see we have 4 connections there. If I want to refresh it and just get an update, I can just hit F5. It reloads the whole report, updating it with the most up-to-date data there. And that works on pretty much all the reports throughout Database Health Monitor. Any screen you're on, you hit F5 and it refreshes it. Also on the menu up here is a refresh button that does the exact same thing. If you're interested in other keyboard shortcuts, because I'm someone who likes to use a lot of keyboard shortcuts when I'm using Database Health Monitor, there's a bunch of them listed here on this link. If you just go to stevestedman.com and search on keyboard shortcut, you can find it. The other one I'll talk about while we're here is the backspace key. And if we're clicking around and we click from this report and then we go to that back here, and let's say we go to this blocking by hour report, and then we hit the backspace key, the backspace will take us to the previous screen that we were on. So we hit it twice there and it took us 2 reports back from where we were. The refresh and the backspace key are really the 2 that we're covering there. They're super handy when you're working around in Database Health Monitor.